All right, Mr. Backfield, you were placed on probation
Yes, ma'am.
and you haven't been doing well. Why not? Unfold your arms, please.
The information that wasn't correct.
All right, everyone, please whisper.
The information wasn't correct, so
What information wasn't correct?
no, I guess when they couldn't get in touch with me,
All right, so your information was not correct?
I guess the number was wrong.
No, I mean, it's not its guess. Either the number was right or,
Wrong. It was-
all right. Didn't you hear what I just told him about honesty being the best policy here?
Yes, ma'am.
So where have you been staying? You're staying with,
Sister.
I'm sorry,
My
who?
sister.
Does she have any children in the house?
Yes.
What are their
Well, we had
ages?
talked. Can't remember his age.
Well, is he in school?
Yes.
Is he in elementary school, middle school? I'm sorry, what?
He's in junior.
I can't hear
He's
you.
in junior.
Junior high? Okay. So if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Should be clean.
All right, we're going to drug test you today. Is that you're still saying it's going to be clean?
Yes.
All right. Ms. Abrams, if we could have a drug test for Mr. Barefield. All right, just have a seat. All right, how often are you using drugs?
It's been a month ago.
No, cocaine doesn't stay in your system for a month.
It's been a month ago now.
I'm sorry, what?
A month ago.
Cocaine, what I'm telling you is cocaine doesn't stay in your system for a month. So your whole thing about I used a month ago, that's according to the test, that's not true. So again, we're back to your level of honesty and you need to be honest with the court. So how often are you using drugs and what are you using?
How often am I using them?
Mhm. No, I'm not with you. So I don't know how often you're using. I don't even know what your idea of often is. So how many times are you using per week?
Once a week.
All right, so you're using once a week? Is this on the weekend or is this during the week? All right. And where are you using?
Huh?
Where are you using the location? Are you at your sister's house? Are you somewhere else? Where are you when you're using?
Like walking to the store or something. Not at my sister's.
So we have, yeah, this is where we are. All right, just have a seat in the box for a moment. All right, it's obvious to the court you have a drug problem. The state is trying to help you with that. I'm trying to help you with that. Based upon, everyone, please whisper. Based upon you not showing up even for orientation, they could file a motion to revoke, which they did.
Quiet down.
And then I would hear it. And then I could sentence you to the state jail facility up to 2 years. But probation wants to give you a chance. I want you to get healthy mentally and physically.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take you into custody. Oh, here's,
Sir, is there a reason why you can't be quiet? Quiet down, please. I'm not gonna tell you again.
okay, so here's the thing. Here's the thing. If you were revoked, you could be going to the state jail facility for 2 years. Everybody's trying to help you with your drug issue. So I know it may seem like a long time to you, but it's not 2 years. It's going to be 2 weeks. Probation is going to help felony drug court see if you are a good candidate for their program, and they're going to do a TAP evaluation. Then we can figure out what would be the best treatment plan for you. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so the state is telling me they're going to withdraw the warrant. They're going to withdraw the motion. And what I'm going to do is alternate amend your conditions for a TAP evaluation and felony drug court in custody. You understand? All right, good luck to you. All right, Mr. Patterson. You didn't give them the information they requested in a timely manner, so
I have an assessment tomorrow.
no. Here's what ended up happening. Veterans Treatment Court came in here and I told them that this issue needed to be resolved this month.
Mhm.
And I gave them a date. They told me it will be resolved by May 2nd. I said, great, we're going to put it on May 20th. So that will give everybody some extra time.
Right.
And it has not been resolved. We've been with this Veterans Treatment Court since March. So I'm not moving any further with Veterans Treatment Court. This case is either moving to a plea agreement in this court or it's moving to jury trial. And if between now and then Veterans Treatment decide to accept you, oh well, but I'm not waiting for Veterans Treatment Court anymore. They are saying that you did not turn in documentations like you were supposed to,
Yeah, well, I
and
have
that you
the-
didn't appear.
I had the email with saying that, that I have, the assessment, tomorrow.
No. What Veterans Treatment Court is telling me through probation is that you didn't give them any of the information that they requested in a timely manner, so they're rejecting you. Do you have something that shows that you gave them the information they wanted in a timely manner?
All I have is the email saying, the assessment's tomorrow, 21st.
No, that's not my question. My question, let's start here. You were here in court on April 30th.
Mhm.
Veterans Treatment Court, they said they would accept you or deny you by May 2nd. So I moved this to May 20th to give them an extra padding. So my question to you is, between April 30th and May 2nd, did you turn over any documents to them that they requested?
Yes, a relief form that I had to sign and send back to them.
And did you turn over the DD 214?
I did that same day at the court. I sent that to Mr. Herman.
All right, so basically what you're telling me, well, not basically, I want to know if this is what you're telling me. You're telling me you gave them all the information, but Veterans Treatment Court just dropped the ball. Is that what you're telling me?
I'm telling you that the lady yesterday, Miss Abigail, she sent me the assessment confirmation letter saying that it's going to be on tomorrow at 11 o'clock
Okay,
over
now,
the phone.
this is my question. If you don't know the answer, you don't know the answer. This is my question. We were here on April 30th.
Mhm.
We've been doing this with Veterans Treatment Court since March, but I want to take you back in time to April 30th. On April 30th, Herman came in here and he said they would have acceptance or denial by May 2nd. I then said, you know what? I'm going to give you all till May 20th.
Mhm.
And he's like, great. So my question is, between April 30th and May 2nd, did you turn in all of your documentation that Veterans Treatment Court requested?
Not to May 2nd.
All right, so why am I pulling teeth with you?
Bad.
No, I mean, it's not your bad. You're being, I don't want to say dishonest, but you're trying to hide the ball with me. And I don't like when people hide the
I'm
ball.
not trying to do that. I'm sorry about that.
I didn't like it in law school either. So,
Judge Mayor,
yes,
Mr.
okay.
he said that since it's going to be on Thursday, that Mr. Patterson sent in the release. And he's supposed to be assessed tomorrow.
All right, I'm recalling this case on Thursday. And if he's not accepted in Veterans Treatment Court by Thursday, y'all will be going to jury trial. I'm not waiting anymore on this case. So we're coming back on May 23rd. And next time, let me just tell you, I know maybe it's different in other courts or, well, I don't even want to say that. I know that sometimes it's different in other places, but in this court, honesty is the best policy. Don't try to hide the ball with me. Don't try to be shifty on your answers. Just answer the question that I'm asking you. You understand?
Yes. Yeah.
And I'm going to tell you this. When I set deadlines, those deadlines need to be abided by. You understand?
That's right.
All right. So we're coming back here on May 23rd at 9 a.m. And either Veterans Court is going to have accepted you or not. If not, then you're going to trial. Is there anything else? All right. If you will sign the reset form and then you're excused. What else I learned about a diet thing? So of course, you know, I'm with my mom. So what happens when you're with your mom? baby, come eat, baby, eat. But we ate very healthy. But she reintroduced me to root beer.
Oh, really?
But here's the good thing. Have you ever read the calories on the back of A&W root beer? You know how many calories? Guess how many calories that is?
125.
Nope. Jason, do you know how many calories are in an A&W root beer?
275.
No. Lewis,
100.
Deputy Mejia. Oh, Deputy Laura?
Like 500.
No.
25.
It's the same number of grams of sugar in A&W that there are in calories. 0. Either that's correct or somebody put the wrong label on that bottle.
I can't think that that's right.
Hey, that's what it said. And I double checked it. I'm going to see if it's wrong or not. If it is, I'm in trouble. If it's not, a new world has opened for me.